What's up guys, Alex over here. Welcome back to another video. This is just a quick video because it's gonna make a little update of what's been going on. And as you know, I haven't been uploading that many videos. I know I've said that for the past I don't know how many videos, but the reason being lately is because I'm actually, as you guys know, I'm a teacher, I'm also a realtor, and I've been on vacations since May 25th, I think I have been. And I've been traveling a lot. Thank God I've been able to do that. I've been spending most of my time in Mexico. I've been to Cancun a few times, and I've been to some other places. It's been really fun with the kids and everything. And I'm actually back in my house in the Houston area. I was not here during the Hurricane Vero. I spent that time in Mexico, in my hometown. And I came over to see my kids, and I spent the last 5 days over here, and I'm going to travel back to Mexico today and spend the rest of the summer over there, and then come back to start finally working again as a teacher. And that's the reason I haven't been making any bike videos lately, and just an update. And just want to give you a heads up on that, why you guys haven't seen me in a while, and that's the reason. Now we're over here in the garage. This is I try to keep it okay, but it's kind of a little bit of a mess. Everything's kind of where it's supposed to be, and I have things covered up behind the curtains. And I also have not been doing a lot of riding lately. As I just told you, I've been in Mexico for the most time, and a lot of my bikes need a lot of maintenance right here, like my Polygon Siskiyou T8. The rear tire is flat. I do put some air in that, and it lasts like 3 days, but my Shimano one, that one doesn't even last a day, so I haven't been taking the time to properly do the maintenance on them. I don't know if there's any holes or anything like that, or where the air is escaping from, because these two are tubeless. And I just now realize that I still have my brother's Axum Comp over here, Axum Comp X. I thought I had already delivered that to him, but it's still over here in my garage. I haven't taken that for a ride yet. It's completed, no modifications whatsoever. This is the one that I made a video about. I still have my gravel bike, my Poseidon. This one, I have always had trouble getting them to not leak air. Both of the tires always leak air. I put in the 50 pounds or whatever they're supposed to be at. It lasts like 3 days, and then they run out. I'm tired of that. I don't know if I want to put some tubes in that, because that's just what it is. Then I have my Mount Bromo. I haven't used this in a very long time. I actually wanted to take it to Mexico, and I should have taken it because I actually took my truck. My truck is actually still over there. I'm not gonna fly back tonight. And I should have taken this so that we can take it to the mountains over there, to Chipinque, like I did a couple of years ago. But at that time I took my Polygon Siskiyou T8. I'm pretty sure this will be more fun on the climbs. Then I have my Otter, the custom painted Otter that I made a video about. I think not one of the latest videos that I made about bikes, where I converted this into 27.5 so my son can ride it, and it actually fits him really well. And the other one that I have had for almost 2 years now is my Marley, that I have not seen the trail yet, and it's just sitting there. Like I said, I haven't been able to do much riding. Remember, this is supposed to be a 27.5, but I made it into a 29. There's very little space on the back wheel well. I don't know if you guys can see that over there. Very minimum space right there. And I haven't taken it to the trail to see how it performs. And of course, if I want to take it to the trail, I'm going to take them whenever it's dry, because I don't want any mud or anything like that piling up over there and making a mess of everything. Also, on one of my last time I was in Mexico, I adopted that little Chihuahua and brought him over. His name is Chemu. He has no eggs, so we call him eggless. So I took him to the vet to get him a neuter. If you're in favor of that, that's good. If not, I respect that too. I wasn't a believer of that, but he was peeing everywhere, so I had to do that. Of course, I still have my 2 Dobermans, and he likes to fight them. Of course, he's not gonna do anything to them, but I keep him inside for now. He's been living inside the house. He's been in my house since past 3 days, something like that, and he has been really great so far. So that was just a quick update. Hopefully when I come back from my vacations, I will start at least taking care of those bikes and riding a little more, because I haven't ridden my bike in probably about 3 months. And then a couple of days before I was on vacation, something happened. It was teachers versus students. We were playing basketball game. I lasted 5 minutes before some of the students threw me on the floor, twisted my ankle. It swelled up really bad, super bad. And I had to get crutches and everything like that. And I was really in so much pain for a little while. It's now getting better. It's been over 2 months now. It's a month and a half now, and I still can't run. So hopefully by the time these 2 more weeks are over, I should be able to ride, at least ride. I'm not expecting to run right away because he hasn't healed all the way yet. So my ankle, my right ankle was twisted so bad and I couldn't even run. So I was walking like Triller. That's what my girlfriend calls me. Or you're walking like Triller or whatever. Just a quick update, guys. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below. What do you think I should do with all those bikes? Of course, I'm gonna try to do the maintenance and then start riding back again, making a few more videos and every now and then. But other than that, that's just a little update. And I guess that's it for this one, guys. And I see you on the trails. Let's ride. Goodbye.